I want everyone feeling like they have an opportunity to create change around them, that possibilities that have been set by themselves or by others don't have to be limitations. We really can push beyond what we think is possible. We have to bring other people in to stand by our side and help us think through it.
All you have to know of Mary is the company she keeps. Look at the companies she serves. Look at the friends that call her a friend. Look at those who grow because of her.
She connects to the audience, she connects to each of us individually, and she does it in a very natural, authentic way.
That is what creativity really is. It is the courage to keep going in a new and different way. Are you ready? All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, it's a vote!